show you my night routine, but I feel like it's pretty short, so I'm gonna start with getting groceries and then make dinner and stuff like that. It's pretty early right now. It's actually like 10 o'clock, so it's not even nighttime, but let's go.
Spice level.
Was it the one you should order? Yeah. Hey, I just got home. I got another dose of the vaccine. I'm just gonna prepare dinner. So, let's go. I'm making pasta.
What are you making?
Pasta.
No.
What?
I didn't know you were videotaping.
Foggy outside? Is it raining?
No. Okay, I just finished up with dinner and I feel really full, so I'm gonna lay down. I can't sleep because I'm gonna be oh my god, I'm gonna be going to the gym. Hopefully I'll go around like in 30 minutes. So I choose some clothes first. Here's the top. It's like a crop top, a dark gray legging. Back home. I'm gonna go take a shower now. I'm gonna take a shower because I like taking my showers at nighttime. I have my mascara remover right now, so I'm just using a cleansing oil. I have a couple of steps in the cleansing routine. I'm using IUNIK's Complete Cleansing Oil. I use it to clean my makeup and pores, but it also strengthens the skin barrier and melts blackheads too. Yeah, I look kind of crazy right now, but this is just how it is. Anyway, I can't really say anything, but I'm gonna try to show you. Thank you to IUNIK for sponsoring a portion of this video. IUNIK's CENTELLA Bubble Cleansing Foam. I'm gonna wash away the oil first. This comes as a foam, which I really love because it's like one less step I have to do. It's really gentle, and I have a normal to combo skin, and this cleanser is not too harsh, so I really like it. Like that. And I'm gonna wash it off. It's also a pH balancing cleanser. Maybe if my skin barrier doesn't seem very good. I like to use the pH balancing cleansers because they always bring my skin back to normal. It's also really clean ingredients in here. I like to use their Tea Tree for Relief Toner. It's also for sensitive skin and helps to calm your skin too. A really clean ingredient list. There's no alcohol or fragrances like that. Their Tea Tree Relief Serum. The products I'm gonna use, it's all for sensitive skin type. There's tea tree water and Centella Asiatica leaf water. They all have some portion of Centella Asiatica. This is their Centella Calming Gel Cream. But Centella Asiatica, it just helps to maintain just like moisture in your skin and make sure your skin's not losing hydration. Because it's tea tree, it's also good for if you have any blemishes. This is their Centella Calming Daily Sunscreen. It's 50 plus and then PA++++. There's also beta glucan, which helps to relieve like your tight skin. Thank you IUNIK for sponsoring a portion of this video. I'm just gonna go take a quick shower. Nighttime skincare. I'm gonna use this Pump Up Pudding hair clip. I'm currently on a break. Today's more of a comfy night. It's already like 8:44. Even though I go to bed around this time, it takes me like an hour to go to sleep. So really it's like I sleep around like 10. I just wanted to show you what I do. What I do to wake up at 5 a.m. Anyway, good night. Oh my gosh. This is my morning hygiene. For me, I just like washing with water in the morning. I feel like it's a bit too harsh on my skin to wash it twice a day. I don't know if you can see like where the line is, but I've been using this a lot recently because I like to use this as a mask. Put one on my chin, so like that. It's like that. I just leave it for like 5 to 10 minutes. Depends how much toner I put on the pad. It's already 6:44. You might be so confused. I just laid in my bed for an hour. It's like when I wake up early, I don't really do anything. I just stay in my bed. Sometimes I'll watch like a Netflix drama. I don't really do much, and then I just think. That's all I really do in the morning. That's what I do for an hour, but I think that's okay. I'm gonna make my morning matcha. Here's some warm water to have matcha. I'm usually a bit lazy to use the actual bowl, so I'll just put the matcha straight up in the cup. Wake up early to do things. I just wake up early just because. And it's like I had my alarm on today just in case I didn't wake up for the video, but I tend to wake up around like 5 to 5:30. I think it might also be because I sleep somewhat early. I'm gonna do my skincare right now. Anyway, also this is really random. I just saw something green and it reminded me. Is there anything bad about mint choco? Because I just posted something on my story like about a mint choco gelato I just ate. I seemed pretty unappetized by it. It was like a huge amount of people, but it's okay. There are some people that said it tastes like toothpaste, but I don't know, it's like when I eat it, it doesn't really remind me of toothpaste. Oh, it's like in a way, it's like eating like gum. The mint gum, it's like sweet and minty, but there's chocolate. I don't know, but I just thought it was funny. I like listening to music in the morning, and I've just been listening to Christmas music. Just like more like softer Christmas music. I forgot her name. I think it's like Cinnamoroll. Cinnamoroll? That's her name? Cinnamoroll. It's like, I don't remember that being her name. Okay, like that. Ta-da! And then be careful not to touch skin. You can also just like put it on your hand and then put it on your face. Lightly massage it into your skin. Then around the eyes, I like to tap. Getting a few questions about my skincare routine. Nothing really changed, just except the morning skincare. I really like gels in the morning because for your makeup, it doesn't pill. I just apply that much. Lastly, always have sunscreen on. Even if I'm indoors, I always have sunscreen on. I don't know what the most important skincare product would be. I was thinking about this the other day. I was like, oh, I wonder what the most important skincare product is. I honestly think it's sunscreen. Like that. My skin is nice and moisturized. I like putting sunscreen like everywhere else. My hands and then like that. Oh, then just put it everywhere. I've been doing this a lot recently. It's like before I didn't really care about this area. That was it. And then I'll just do my makeup. Hello, I'm in Abigail's room because she still has my charger and I'm using hers right now. Today is December 2. So this is like, if this counts as like the Vlogmas kind of thing. I usually do like the weekly ones. And then I completely forgot that, I just realized right now, actually. I completely forgot that should be part of the Vlogmas since it's December 2. I'm wishing you happy holidays and a little tour of Abigail's room. If you want to see anything for Vlogmas, just let me know. But anyway, I think next Saturday video, I'm gonna be traveling to the Philippines. So that's gonna be very interesting. Spending a month there. I don't know if I think I mentioned this like back in April. I'll see you next week. Have a good day. Bye.